Most of us learning to code already have something else on our plate, like a full-time 9 to 5 job. Juggling work, coding, and hobbies makes it really tough to stay consistent. Think about it. You get home from work, shower, eat, relax, then you realize it's already late. Just a couple hours left before bed. What do? Do you sit down and code? Or tell yourself, I will do it tomorrow. You're mentally drained, so you postpone. Tomorrow becomes next week. What you learned, forgotten. Motivation gone. I've been there, but I want to share 5 simple points that completely changed my web development learning journey. These help me stay consistent and actually enjoy the process. First one, set aside 1 hour a day. Consistency beats intensity. 1 hour a day may not seem like much, but it adds up. 30 hours a month, over 300 hours a year. So schedule it like a meeting. Protect that time. No distractions. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It rarely comes. For me, 8 to 9 p.m. works great. I finish work, hit the gym and eat. Handle any tasks and then focus on coding. After that, I can relax guilt-free. It's a simple habit but incredibly powerful. The second one is to remove resistance. You're already tired after work, so don't make it harder for yourself. For me, the resistance was my slow laptop. Every time I turned it on, it took forever, and by then I was already distracted. So I invested in a MacBook Air. Fast startup, apps stay open, zero setup. That one change removed a huge mental barrier and made coding easy to start every day. Make your environment work for you, not against you. The third one is know your why. Why are you learning to code? Whether it's to change careers, build your own projects, or gain independence, write it down. Keep it somewhere visible, because there will be days when you're exhausted and unmotivated. On those days, your why will remind you what you're working towards. It keeps you grounded, focused, and moving forward. The fourth one is you don't have to be perfect. This one took me a while to learn. You don't need to know everything before you start building. You don't need to finish an entire JavaScript course before creating your first app. Just start. Many beginners fall into the tutorial trap, constantly learning, never building. But you learn the most when you get your hands dirty. Apply what you know. Build something simple. It reinforces what you have learned and builds confidence. Number 5 is to use your weekends. If you're working full-time, 1 hour a day during the week is solid, but not enough if you want to move faster. Weekends are your opportunity. Set aside 2 to 3 focused hours. Make it intentional. This will speed up your progress and help you stay on track. But remember, be patient. Learning to code is like learning a new language. You won't be fluent in a week, but with consistent effort, even just an hour a day, you will be surprised by how far you come in just 3 to 6 months. Lastly, bonus tip, don't overwhelm yourself. Trying to learn everything at once, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node, MongoDB, TypeScript, it's a recipe for burnout. Focus on one thing at a time. Choose a clear path, take breaks, and don't compare yourself to others who code 8 hours a day. It's not about speed, it's about not quitting. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share your biggest coding struggle in the comments. I would love to hear your story. And if you're on your own journey, just remember, progress over perfection. Thanks for watching.